Repco Authorised Service is an independently owned workshop, network of independently owned workshops across Australia. We've got 550 members across Australia, and they're basically mum and dad businesses. They're family businesses, and that's what we are. We are one giant family, and it's just an absolute privilege to be partnering with Supercars for the 2023 season. The partnership just means the world. The members have been craving for it. It's a great fit. Supercars are a family, we're a family, and so many families come to the races and they mix in with us. It's just a perfect fit. Yeah, look, it's an absolute avenue for people to come past and see what's Repco Authorised Service and ask the question, how do I be part of this? It's fantastic. And even technicians coming along and seeing how do I become part of this family of repairers? It is a perfect fit for the whole business.